Sabroom Amchaio snamjak Bharat Bangladesh Moitri Setu ganani Amchaio water irrigation plan monitoring khlainani bagwi krak salor Sabroom Amchaio Phaiwi Sokphaikha Bangladesh ni Khorang chisa naikol bodol aboni yagulo Sabroom Nagar Panchayat Conference Hall nago khlaijaka Kaisa koksa panda Bharat Bangladesh Moitri Setu ganani Amchaio water irrigation plan Nainani bagwi krak salor Sabroom Amchaio Phaiwi Sokphaikha Bangladesh ni Khorang chisa naikol bodol Amchaio berai naimani yagulo Sabroom Nagar Panchayat Conference Hall nago khlaijaka Kaisa koksa panda Manjaka hangkoni tagifang Saju Wahid Sabroom SDM Devdas Deborma Abo ekhano Bangladesh ni bukhaktei Phaiwi Sokphaikha South East Bangladesh Beverage Development Board ni Chief Engineer Muhammad Ramzan Ali Bangladesh Parva Salkai Beverage Development Board ni Supervising Engineer Sibendu Khastagir Akosa
channel design and you can we will verify by our design team immediately and we will inform you that it is okay. Then you can start and we request you that our agreed bank protective works which was stopped by your law enforcing agency GSF. I request that this is a settled issue between the two countries' government that a list of works you will do in your side and we will do in our side. You have done in your side, but your law enforcing agency DSF stopped our works. So 30th June is our closing year. We have fund, we have allocation, and all CC blocks manufactured, completed inside our country. Only thing is to lay down these blocks in slopes to protect the bank irrigation.
Bureau Report Chini Khorang